If you've tried getting a free gift on Temu and thought it didn't work, you're not alone. A lot of people assume the free gift feature is fake, but the truth is, it actually works if you activate it the right way. Most people skip one small step, and that's why nothing happens. Before I explain, I've put the working Temu Free Gift code right here on the screen, and it's also in the description and pinned comment, along with a couple of backup codes that are still active. Now here's what's really going on. The free gift does not activate automatically when you open the Temu app. You can scroll, browse products, and even add things to your cart. But unless you trigger the event properly, the free gift will never appear. Here's how to do it the correct way. Step 1. Activate the free gift. Click the first link in the description. This step is required. Without clicking that link, Temu doesn't start the free gift event. When the page opens, you'll see a QR code on your screen. If you're on your phone, scan the QR code. If you're on a computer, you'll see a manual code you can enter instead. Either option activates the same free gift. Step 2. Confirm it's active. After scanning or entering the code, go back into the Temu app. You should now see a progress bar appear. That progress bar is the confirmation that the free gift is active on your account. If you don't see it, the activation didn't go through. In that case, go back and repeat step 1 using the link again. Step 3. Complete the simple actions. Once the progress bar appears, Temu will give you a few small tasks to complete. These usually include browsing certain product categories, opening deal pages, checking specific sections inside the app. They are quick and easy. No purchases required. Each action fills the progress bar a little more. Step 4. Unlock your free item. When the bar reaches 100%, the free item you selected unlocks and is prepared for shipping. No referrals, no hidden payments, no tricks. This is why some people get free items and others don't. They never activate the process correctly. If you tried before and it didn't work, go back and try again using the code on screen. And if it finally unlocks for you, leave a comment and tell me what you got. I like seeing when it actually works for people.